And shares are moving higher by more than 3% after finishing the session up by more than 7%. It is a beat on the top line. Q4 revenue coming in at nearly $150 billion, 149.2, 145.5 was expected. We're not going to compare the EPS number, but on a GAAP basis, it came in at $1.39. It's messy. We have to sort through the Rivian stake as well as some of the restructuring costs. But here's what really matters. It is the guidance. Q1 revenue guidance estimated or forecast between $121 and $126 billion. So on the upper end, it is higher than what the street was expecting, which was $125 billion. So shows strength likely in the online sales business, but we're going to look through these more. Operating income guidance. The company is guiding for between $0 and $4 billion. That is not unusual. Amazon often does this. We'll sort through the release, Scott, and find out, what makes that difference. And also if there's some restructuring charges associated with those 6% layoffs in the corporate workforce just a few weeks ago.
Supposed to post the slowest revenue growth in some 20 years, right, Dee? I mean, that's going to be what people are keying on, is we're worried about AWS and the cloud slowing. As I was just talking with Sarat, that's the reason investors have been willing to pay up, so to speak, for this stock, a higher multiple than some of the others in the mega cap universe.
And that's why this was one of the worst sold off mega caps last year. It shed, about half of its value. So a lot of this is priced in, that slower growth rate, the operating losses. I mean, I got to look through the results, but for the full year, if it's a loss, that's the first since 2014. I'm going to get those AWS numbers as well, but that has been slowing also. And remember that Microsoft warned of that last week. So we're going to see by how much. I'm looking at it right now. It did come in a little bit shy, that AWS number, $21.4 billion versus 21.9. However, I do think that that's better than maybe some of the whisper numbers. I think it was Bank of America that said that AWS growth could fall into the high teens. I don't think we're seeing that just yet. Although I will say, Scott, that Amazon was up as much as 3.5%. It's now lower by about 0.8%, but it did finish the session higher by more than 7.
Yeah, they got a lot going on. I know we're going to hear from you throughout our hour, and I'm glad about that. Dee, thank you. We'll see you soon. So we've got Qualcomm dropping. You got Amazon, which is out. We got Google coming up, and all the others in Apple again, bottom of the hour. Malcolm, you are in Amazon. What were you most especially keying on today?
Yeah, I was actually interested to hear if Andy Jassy announced anything related to additional cuts. I think shareholders like myself have already heard all of the bad news you expect to hear related to this name, and so they really didn't have anywhere to go except sideways to up. And I think that's probably what we're looking at right now with the results that Deirdre just reported. We're basically getting some of what we knew was coming, which is that the cuts seem to be working. The e-commerce business is picking up slightly, but it's still got a ways to recover from all the overbuilding that happened. And hang in there with us, because AWS is still the most important thing related to this enterprise. And we have a feeling that that's going to steady a little bit going into Q2. That's basically what I'm gathering from the early read. And that's essentially what I was hoping to hear as a shareholder who's looking at a company who already got whacked 50% last year.